Hello guys, I am Emmanuel Onuotu, a professional fashion designer and tutor, a creative director at Ocean International Fashion Academy. I have helped hundreds of students learn and improve their fashion skills and competencies. I have also mentored these students to gain good employment within the fashion industry or establish and run their own fashion businesses. You are welcome to my official YouTube channel. In this channel, I'll be making videos that will help you improve and broaden your knowledge in the fashion industry. Expect videos on how to sew trending senator and kaftan designs, how to take accurate body measurement for kaftan, senator, pants, shirts, suits, trending pockets and plackets for kaftan and senator wears, how to cut corporate shirts, how to sew collar accurately, the accurate method of cutting armholes and sleeves, accurate method of piping your senator and kaftan wears, trending cuff design for senator wears, trending cuffs and collar designs for corporate shirts. I will also be dealing with pricing your product and services as a fashion designer or a tailor. What is the essence of being a good tailor and fashion designer and you are not paid your happy price? I also run an intensive fashion training where I teach how to make different kinds of suits, kaftan and senator dresses, shirts, pants, waistcoats, agbada, and many more. I am here to help you. Please remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on my videos every Wednesday and Saturday, 8 p.m. every week. Do you know anyone that is interested in improving their fashion skills and competencies? Feel free to call, SMS, or WhatsApp me on +234 706 855 7849. Thank you.